Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put number 5 go outside, and then we have 1 over 5 in here. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to s, the u equals to the s. After we do first the derivative of this one, dv we have e to the power of s ds. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So because we still have 1 over 5 in here, so we keep about 1 over 5 in here. So about this one, we have u multiplied by v, and then we put the powers in here. From negative number 1 to positive number 1. Minus, we have the integration, and we have from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So we have the u multiplied by v. So we have e to the power of s ds. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, you got about e to the power of s, and we put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. And now we put number 1 gone here, and negative number 1 gone here. Similar for the next one. Because we have a negative sign here, negative with negative in the bottom, so you got about positive. Now we need to simplify. This one we have e to the power of number 1, so we can write about e, negative, negative, you got about positive. This one you got about e, this one you got about 1 over e. Now we simplify again. E minus e, we cancel. 1 over e plus 1 over e, we have 2 over e. And then we have 2 over 5e. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.